Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, we are going to solve another question from BODMAS, and the question stated 10 minus 4 into 2 plus 3 will be equal to what? So we will apply here BODMAS rule. So according to the BODMAS, first we have to solve multiplication because there is no division. So we will solve first multiplication, then 4 into 2 will be equal to 8. So 10 minus 8 plus 3, then after that we have to solve addition. So minus 8 plus 3 will be equal to minus 5. So we will write 10 as it is, 10 minus 5. After that subtraction will be done. So 10 minus 5 will be equal to 5. So the final answer according to the BODMAS rule is 5. I hope you understood the question. Do subscribe my channel. Thank you.